What is the concept of access specifiers? When should we use these? First of all, the access specifiers and access modifiers are same, just a minor difference. So just assume that this is your house, this is me, and this is my friend. I can come in your house, so I am public. You have given me public access. That is, I can access your house. My friend, you haven't given him any access. Now he is private. You are not providing him any access. And public private is, these are access. Access means trying to get some certain thing, try to use certain thing. That is the access. So access specifier in object-oriented programming language is access specifier or access modifiers. These are reserved keyword that is employed or used to set the accessibility for the classes. Inside them we have methods and members. So for methods and members, these access modifiers are used. So we have access modifiers or access specifiers. It includes the public, private and protected. These are keywords. So protected is all about, when you use the inheritance. So these are three access specifier, modifier: public, private, protected. So there is some other access specifier. They are language specific. Like the Java, there is another access specifier called default. So I am just talking about this code now. We have private, public, private, public. What does it mean? That is, who can access what? If you are protected, only the inheritance class can access. Private, it cannot access. Public, it can access. Public and protected and inherited class can access. But the outside class will not be able to access private. So these access specifier play a vital role. The data abstraction and data hiding all is achieved. The implementation is through private, protected and public only. Data abstraction and data hiding is a concept. But private, public, protected, they actually implement it. Okay. So this is the table where we have showed the private in derived class what happens, outside the class what happened. Within the same class, private, protected, public, all are accessed. Derived class, only public and protected. Outside the class, only public. Okay. See here. This is a class. This is the class name. Now, there is a variable integer with a private access. There is an employee name with a public access. There is a function with a private access. So, all the inside material can be accessed by anyone inside the class. Outside class can only access the public material. The inherit class can only access the public and protected the access specifier variables or the functions. Okay. So this is because in object-oriented programming language everything is data. So if you don't provide these access specifiers, the idea of data it doesn't happen, because there is no local global here.